Actually, we are making momo, chicken momo. I'm gonna show you how to make it.
3x momo.
Chicken momo.
Chicken momo.
Not 3x momo, it's chicken momo.
I was very surprised. Nani, get mommy drink my alcohol, please.
Chicken momo.
Then
We are making chicken momo.
This is the size going for the momo. So I was making this size.
Ready to
This size from the corn flour. We have to fill with water and making small pieces. Then I have to like that, make it to like a small chapati. This the chapati, and this is the chicken. Chicken with there's so many vegetable also there, like a garbage, like a onion, and this has to go like that. And this go like that. I just actually it is like that, and just like it is going to be like that. It is called momo. It is going to be like a rabbit like this. You see, like that. Okay. So that is a very easy, just like this, and round like that. See like this. This is the looking.
ठ्याक्कै अनियनको साइज भयो
Excellent size. See, this is called momo, and now this is the other raster bit. Babita will be show you. Now I have to continue make small chapati because I'm busy now.
ओके ओके
Right? Okay. And now I'm still making it. This is the used to call Nepali tray from the bamboo tray. It's a
Nanglo.
bamboo tray, and this whole tray I have to make like this before. So if we are, I am the main person. If I didn't make chapati, they can't make the momo. So I am continuous. I'm busy, right? Okay. So alright. This is one of the
खै मोमो खाना सुरु गरिसक्यो
There you come. One more please. Yeah. Some more? You wanna take it all? Alright, here you go.
मोमो अरे
Are you going to have momo or your momo?
Okay, let's see what you gonna eat. How you gonna eat? Let's see. Okay. सोफा बसेर खाइदिने इट तातो भयो ओके अनि कसले खानु रे त्यो सिँगै दिस इज स्टिम हुँदैछ हाम्रो मोमो है हाम्रो सुप अनि के हो यो हाम्रो अचार मोमो अचार मम्मी काममा ड्याडी यता व्यस्त
म पनि यता व्यस्त छु मतलब म मोमो साइजको आटा गुन्दैछु नि त रोटी बनाउँदैछु अनि बबिताले चाहिँ बनाउँदैछ
पकाउँदैछ
म चाहिँ हेड बोकर चाहिँ गर्नु भएन आई एम सेफ अफ द मोमो कसले सुझाव मोमो बनाएको मम्मी एउटा खाएर त
कस्तो भयो ड्याडी टेस्ट पहिलो टेस्ट
That was, oh yeah. Actually, now momo is, I think momo is ready. Excuse me. Momo is ready. So now what I do, this is the, see, my granddaughter is, let me try it. Okay. This is my drink and this is my momo. Now I'm going to be try how Japanese. Rest day I'm going to now. Okay. Not bad. Wow, delicious. That was a really perfect, yeah. Excellent. I want to more grape, one more pieces.
Okay.
Let me try. One more.
त्यसरी मलाई यहाँ बोलाउनु भएको म त यहीँ बस्छु मेरो मोमो
Yeah,
मैले नि अब
good. So, everybody,
चम्मच पनि खान्छ
we serve this. त्यो चम्मच चाहिँ नलिनु त त्यो चम्मच चाहिँ Momo is eating because when I eat momo, we all momo eating. The corona has going bye bye because momo is strong. So that's the reason we are having momo. Perfect, huh? Nice. Cheers. Wow. Perfect.
कस्तो लागिरहेछ म
एकदम राम्रो लागिरहेछ मोमो चाहिँ going to explain the taste.
हाई साथीहरू अनि के मोमोमा चाहिँ नि
मासु हुन्छ हैन
चिकनमा चाहिँ चिकन मासु चाहिँ एकदमै धेरै मिठो हुँदो रहेछ आज फर्स्ट टाइम खाएँ आज सेकेन्ड टाइम खाएको
Chicken flavor भन्नु चिकन फ्लेभर खायो भन्नु
अनि मिठो लाग्यो अनिदेखि मैले चाहिँ यस्तै एक भाँडा चाहिँ सकाइदिएँ यहीँ छालमा अनि त्यहाँदेखि अघि भर्खर टेस्ट चाहिँ पापाले भन्नुभयो एकदम मिठो थियो होइन अनि मलाई चाहिँ एकदमै धेरै मिठो लाग्यो क्या त्यसैले क्या साथीहरू मोमो भनेको चाउमिन वा अरू चिजहरू भन्दा धेरै मिठो हुन्छ मोमो भन्ने मोमो एकदमै धेरै मिठो हुन्छ मोमो चाहिँ कहिले पनि खान नछोड्नु
थ्याङ्क यू
थ्याङ्क यू
प्लेट खायो
3 प्लेट
3 प्लेट कति हुन्छ 3 प्लेटमा
10 एउटा नि 15 एउटा एक्ज्याक्टली
30 piece भन्नु 30 piece 32 33 piece
ओके कस्तो लाग्यो
It's delicious. A bit spicy. But I'm enjoying.
One thing is if you like it, you have to eat the garlic also. The garlic, no, yeah, garlic. Garlic is the most tasty, no?
And I'm having soup as well.
Okay, okay. Okay, thank you so much for watching my vlog.
Block